Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to be talking about search engine optimization tools, which are going to help you to rank better online on a website. Whichever platform you choose, you're going to appear better because you're going to see topics that people are searching for, and you can make videos and content based on that. So guys, this is an example of the SEO tools I've been talking about. This one is known as Google Trends, and you can check trending topics, trending keywords, and know the one that is suitable for you to explore. So the one we have here now is Google Trends. We are going to click on the explore part of the page, and we're going to be using sleeping pills because that's the example we've been using so far. It doesn't mean that this is the only thing you can search for. So sleeping pills, and it's going to bring out the way it is trending in different parts of Nigeria. So in Ogun State we have 100. This is not really a great topic to explore, especially when your website is basically for Nigerians. The next one we'll be talking about is a Ryan Robinson free keyword research tool. It is AI powered, it's an SEO keyword, it is totally free. So when you get onto the page, the first thing you're going to see is an about page of them explaining everything that this tool can do for you and all the terms that was used in it. So it's very beginner friendly. If you're having difficulties with learning terms of SEOs or keywords and things like that, they've explained it clearly here before you go into using the keyword tool proper. So now we are going to enter the words we want, which is obviously sleeping pills. This is not like located in any region, so they're not going to search for a particular region. They're searching for all over the world. And after clicking on sleeping pills, you can see the idea sleeping pills here is 60.5k, which is very high. And we have melatonin dosage, different kind of ideas, the way they rank, the way they appear in SEO pages, and everything about each of them, so you can pick the one you like best. The next thing to do is to click on the ideas part of the tabs above. So you're going to see general ideas so these are ideas that fall within the category of sleeping pills, so you can explore each of them to know the one that is going to suit you best. So the next one is keyword intent.io. So I've typed in sleeping pills, but I didn't choose a specific country or a specific language. So in all, it is showing me a very high number, and it is giving me other ideas as well that I can write on that are also under the sleeping pills. So this is very high. This is very high, and the cost per click is quite high as well. So I've moved my browser to a desktop site, so I'll click in sleeping pills, but now I want to include the country, the language, and everything. So now I'm going to include English language, and then in the country I will choose Nigeria. It's already be provided, so you just click on it. Click on the Nigeria, click on English language before you go on to exploring, and now we're going to submit it. After the submission, while we wait for the submission, it's going to show you like a three pink dots that are loading, and voila, we have the result here. This is 2,900, and the keyword that is also recommending are up to 66, or so you can pick from any one of them. So this, and the cost per click is not very expensive, so it's really something that you can work with. So we have something. When you have something like this, you don't need to bother yourself. You just need to look for other keywords that you can write, and not necessarily the most explored part. So now we want to check for something else. So I want to check something different, and I'm going to check for African cuisine or African recipes. Let's see what it's going to say. So yeah, I clicked on African food, and in language I clicked English language, and in country, of course, I chose Nigeria. Now I'm going to proceed to submit. So let's see what is going to pop up after submission. So the three pink dots are loading, as showing you that the information you are looking for is coming on, and we have it here. It is the same. We have 2,900. There are other recipes down. You can see abacha. You can see different recipes that are African foods as well in the Nigerian space, because we didn't generalize it. It's just giving me African foods in Nigeria. So that is why most of the food that you're seeing here are basically foods, traditional food from Nigeria. So the next app we'll be using is the keyword rank checker. So this is a bit different from the other apps. This is just to find out how you rank online. So after writing a website for a client, or you've written a copy for on a website for a client, you can just come in here and check how it is ranking by using the URL. So I copied a URL on sleeping pills and I pasted it here, and it is showing me that that website and its article or its write-up or its copy is ranking number one on the search engine. And this is true because when I went into Chrome and I clicked on this link, it also showed me number one.